난 어디쯤에 와 있나 앞만 보고 달려오기만 했던 돌아보는 것도 왠지 겁이 나 미뤄둔 얘기들.
Hey guys, it's Nikkee and I'm gonna do a reaction to Dreamcatcher, You and I music video and Gfriend Summer Rain. They were both requested in the comments, so here we go. Oh. Okay. Oh my god. Her attitude, her like face is fierce. What? Oh, I like her face.
아무도 모르게 다가갈게 now, oh now. 수많은 별이 너만을 비추기 헤매지 않게.
Hot vocals. Oh, fire. Okay. This is like a rock beat a little bit. With the guitar and the drums. Okay. What? What is she doing to her though? Oh, I like her voice. I like how deep it is. Yeah. Okay. Oh god, she broke. Oh Jesus. Okay. Okay, here's the choreography. She's kind of scared. Oh no! What? That lady turned into a spider. She turned into a whole spider. I'm so sorry. Look at that. No. What? I'm sorry. That scared daylights out of me. Okay. Woo. She didn't make it. Oh. Oh. Oh, the drums. Okay, sorry. Oh, she caught that? Wait a second. Go back. That was cool what they did with that thing. I don't know if that's a scarf. What is that? I don't know what that is. But that was good. Right here. Right. I like that part. Oh. Okay, so that was fabulous. I don't know what the lyrics were, but the visuals and the freaking vocals, and I really like that rapper. I think she was a rapper with the deep voice. I think she's my favorite. I really like her deep, like she has like a really deep voice. I like her a lot, but I really like the group all in together because it's just different. It's got like that like band type of beat. It's got like, you know, guitars and drums and everything, and I just like the way they dance to it, and I like their visuals, and they're just like the sound that they have. I really enjoy it. So I really like them a lot. Okay. All right, I have no idea who any of them are at all. Okay, but I'm going to react to Gfriend Summer Rain. Let's go. Piano. What? Oh. Oh, she's got sparkles. I feel like every time I watch one of their videos, it always has like this fog on it, you know? Like they're like from heaven, you know? I don't know if that made any sense. Okay. What? Ooh. I like all of their voices because they're also like soft. I don't know how to explain it. Get it. Oh, I like to do that. Ooh. Oh! Oh, this is pretty. What's she writing? What did you write? Okay, with the... Oh, she got the box. What's happening? Oh no. Oh no. You're in sadness. Okay. Oh no. What? Okay. Oh, what's the letter say? Oh no, that was cool. That was cool. I couldn't read the letter anyway, but nobody can read it now. Aw, it's raining. Okay. The sound of the rain is making me like tired. You know what I'm saying? It's like peaceful. Makes you tired. Okay. So I really like Gfriend a lot, to be honest with you. I like all their like voices. They have like such soft, pretty voices, and it's like such like and then like honestly, their music videos, like it has like a film over it, like a fog over it normally, and it's like they're from heaven. I don't know if you're catching on to the vibes, but it seems that way. It's like heaven. Okay. They were sent from heaven. That's fine. Okay. But that was my reaction, and if you have any requests, please leave them in the comments.
난 어디쯤에 와 있나 앞만 보고 달려오기만 했던 돌아보는 것도 왠지 겁이 나 미뤄둔 얘기들